KARSHI Waterfall is a name that tells our own story. This historic work of nature has lived through time, serving same purpose of beauty, splendor, and tourism. Our journey to explore the Gwandara Kupa has again granted us access.
So, hello, good morning. Right behind you are those hills, right? Right behind you are these hills. You can see we are going behind these hills to the KARSHI Waterfall. I know you'll be expecting something great, so watch out, have fun.
The source of the waterfall is from the rock, and the pressure at which it runs down from the mountain is super high. KARSHI has a land topography which is mountainous, has big gullies and valleys, which will hinder development, but man's wisdom and dominant effect has always helped to make all the available raw materials into a habitable community. Nobody has been able to tell the exact date that the waterfall was discovered. The movement of the Gwandara people from Kupai to the present-day KARSHI was initiated in 1945 by Alhaji Mama Aura, the 25th Emir of KARSHI. Initially, KARSHI was part of the Zaria Emirate, the Turakin Zauza, which is the Zaria Empire. Who represented the Emir of Zaria was the overseer of the colonial era and indirect rule. The colonial masters decided to merge KARSHI with the Kefi Native Authority, NA. This solved the problem of distance from KARSHI to Zaria and the cumbersomeness of the administrative framework. On this mountain, we saw footprints of chimpanzees and monkeys, and our tour guide told us it has been here for decades. The predominant tribe is the Gwandaras, who constitute about 85% of the total population. In the 80s, with the creation of Abuja as Federal Capital Territory, a new location was given to the Gwandaras under Nasarawa local government, and some Gwandara moved to what is known today as the new KARSHI and Karo local government, Nasarawa State, with a first-class emir known as Muhammad Bako, PhD. Other minority tribes in KARSHI are Gede, Bagi, Hausa, Fulani, Yorubas, Igbos, Idumas, and Tiv. The predominant occupation of into my amazement, it is one of the routes water flows from, and it was damn dangerous. I wish you could come see it with me. I mean, it was damn dangerous. I was climbing it with faith and belief and hoping I will not meet anything deadly there, like animal, like snake, like whatsoever. It was really pretty dangerous anyway. KARSHI is located in the Federal Capital Territory, a satellite town situated in Abuja Municipal Area Council. Its geographical coordinates is 80 degrees 49, 40 north, 7 degrees 33 degrees east, and its original name with dialect is Kashi. It is about 38 kilometers to the federal capital and 41 kilometers from KARSHI to Apo.
of the KARSHI waterfall, and it's exciting. You can see how the water is running down from the top now down to this place. We're going to climb the next step, the second step, and then the third step. But I'm not sure I'm going to take the third step because I don't want to say I'm scared, but no, I'm going to try, and I know I'm going to bring so much fun for you. Got me up there, nigga. Up to the high hills. This is an amazing experience. We are living our life. So what did you hear again about nature and the beauty about nature? This is KARSHI Waterfall. When we came to explore Kupai, we took our time to also come to see the KARSHI Waterfall, which is one of the most beautiful things about KARSHI as a whole. And here we are, having our time, having our fun in KARSHI Waterfall. And I know you want to have this feeling. I know you want to have this beauty. I know you want to have this in this period, in this December period, in this festive period. I know you want to have this fun. Or probably anytime you want to come for hiking, you want to come for a view, why not? Damn. I'm just a call away. I'm just a call away for you to come to this place and have a banger. I'm having 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 a banger.